I ain't gonna lie, I think Shorty deserve better. I think it might be a nigga like me. I ain't no slime ball, but we'll see what happens.
Yeah, I'm back. You know what I mean? Y'all ain't seen me in a while. I've been trying to be low. This relationship had me low for real. Like, I don't even feel like the same smiles about as I used to be. But it's all good though. I'm coming back for you, Shayla. But I had to hit up the bro Lou, hit him up for a few advices. You know, he was in the same situation as me, trying to call him up, trying to get a few advices. I mean, hopefully he lines one up.
The life that I live, the life of a savage. I get to this money, I stick to the tactics. It's automatic, I'll let you.
What I get for being nice, try to put a nigga on, get bread. Nigga fucked me up. I couldn't even use my own work because I'm hot. Just got locked for that shit.
But yo, I'm about to get out of here, shit, bro. Yo, take.
You Gucci, bro? You good?
Take care of that.
How the fuck y'all go? Yo, what the fuck?